Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I'm going to demonstrate the steps in the Phantom Wallet mobile application, but you can also do the same thing with the help of the desktop browser extension of the Phantom Wallet. So once you are in your Phantom Wallet application, you need to tap on the Browser tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to use the search bar. And here in the search bar, you need to simply search for DEX Screener. Now, once you have found DEX Screener, you need to simply tap on it, and it will automatically redirect you on the dexscreener.com website. Now over here, you just have to wait for some time until it opens in front of you or verify your identity. Now, once it is launched successfully, you can see that the connection between the DEX Screener and the Phantom Wallet is already established. However, you will also be able to see the Connect option over here. So you need to tap on the Explore option. And from here, you can select the chain, like for example, you can select Solana. And after that, you can just explore the meme coins over here that are based on the Solana blockchain. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.